It's nice when this is filled in and you can actually ski down here, eh? Huh?
Rare.
There was some last year you could ski down a bunch of it. Oh, you could ski down there. I've never actually skied down this edge. Have you?
What?
I've never skied down this edge here. I think it's a bit sketch. Yeah, like, look at this, man. That's not it. It's down farther. This is 5-0. I'd like to see it. Oh, dude, we can ski this. Want to ski this?
Nope.
This is 5-0.
Yeah, I mean...
It's a slide-in right there. It don't look like anything special though, does it?
No.
But yeah, I've never done this. Look at all the fucking little slide downs there, eh? It's just a steep jump turner.
Yeah, for me things.
Holy shit, dude, look at that. Look at that crack here.
Holy fuck. What is it called?
A cleave.
There you go. That's significant.
Holy shit, man. That thing's monster. Like, I guess it's safe. Like, they wouldn't leave that, right?
They know that's there.
Pardon?
They know that's there.
Oh, they know that's there for sure. Yeah, so we're gonna actually go on it then. Holy crap, man. Look at it. Holy shit, Sid. Look at this. Don't tell me that don't give you the creeps.
Gives me enough of the creeps not to get on it with you.
Yeah, okay. I'll just go over. All right. That's holy fuck. That is fucking. That's that whole chunk of ice.
I'll support it, that's why.
It's what?
Cradled in there.
Oh my goodness.
That's all, that's safe.
So this is Bushrat, this is Bush Whip. Woo! Whoa, did you see the air that did? What?
We'll have a peek at 5-0.
All right. It's certainly not as gnarly as I thought it would be.